Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I get started, I do want to note that from a disclosure perspective, I am long Litecoin, so keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past, which is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But I pulled the chart up and I thought, what am I doing? I'm confusing myself. So yeah, these lines all do still pertain. But what I really want to do now going forward is really apply the KISS method to the weekend. Keep it simple, stupid, because there's really 2 main levels that stand out to me right now going forward. And this is, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching the same things. So let's first start talking about the key level of support. And that is a level right there at that pink line, the 200 period simple moving average. Even if you just have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. So that's definitely going to be the key level of support going into the weekend and kind of the bottom portion of this quote unquote channel. Not exactly a channel, but kind of just how my mind is, picturing it. On the flip side of things, where's the level of resistance at? Well, that's where the purple line comes into play. So the little brother of the 200 period, we have the 50 period moving average up there, which is currently acting as resistance. I say currently because you can see right there, price tried to get above it and then was rejected. So shorter term wise, depending on how you gauge this, but through the weekend, like I said, the kind of bottom of this channel here, that pink line there, the 200 period, the top of the channel up there, that purple line, which is the 50 period. Now, if the bulls can break through that purple line, the next key battleground to keep an eye on is this red line up here from a previous video that I've done up there at 235. But as it stands right now, one step at a time, and that first step is going to be breaking up above the purple line there. In the event the price cannot hold, I should probably add in one more area of support, just in case the price does break down to the downside of that pink line and that can't hold over the weekend. The next level to keep an eye on in that event would be down here right around the $170 mark, give or take. So yeah, it could be a little bit better for Litecoin. I mean, obviously the fake break here before it rolled back over, but nice bounce right there, consolidating a little bit here. So we'll see if the bulls can build some sort of higher base and then maybe over the weekend get up there and give 235 another run for its money. But we shall see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.